Hey guys, here it is, close up. You need to make this exact setup. This is how it works. This articulating head, and you have to have the light. Look at how cool this light is. Now, you must have this light. And also the magnifier. If you don't have the whole setup, you can't see to measure with this gauge your keys. So you have to have the stand to hold the locks. Great stand. You have to have an articulating head. And remember, this is magnetic. And so is the light. It's, magnetic. And it's so strong that you'll pull the base right up. And it comes with its own metal base. I'm telling you, if you don't buy this setup, you are not going to be able to be a master lock-picking adventure fun guy. So please, here's your competitor. Do you really like this? It tips over. If you get the lock too far, it'll tip over. It's nice, it's plastic, but it doesn't have the weight necessary like the magnetic base clamp system. Now that is the way to fly. You can get it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. So please get this tool. It's specific for lock picking. Hooray for us, and hooray for the lock sport community. What a great, great invention. Yeah, come on, join the group. Get this tool. Hey guys, this is what I want you to make, okay? I'm showing it off in my next upcoming video, but you guys need to make this tool just like this. I have your clamp on an articulating head. So watch this. Right into it. We have our stand. This is a magnetic stand. Look at how cool this is. I'm really liking this stand, guys. You can get this from Amazon. See the articulating head? About it. I mean, look at how cool this is. And then your little light. So we're going to stick our on this in magnetic base. Clamp. Look at that cool. I'll show you exactly what you need to build. See this right here? That base you have to have with this articulating head. And your clamp, I'm using this by Small Rig, but you get the idea. And your light that clamps onto this, you need to make this exact unit with the magnetic base plate. That clamp. You guys definitely need this articulating head. You've got to add it to your beautiful magnetic picking station. Plus these little fasteners. Let's get back to the show. And you will have a winner. Come on. make that unit. Stay till the end, guys, for some more fun. It's not over yet. Get your brain around this beautiful new tool. Lock picking station. Magnetic, yeah. Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. And I'm gonna have a great video coming your way. If you can pronounce the name of that company, you probably will win an award. They sent me this to review. No strings attached, okay? This product is so revolutionary, it's gonna blow your minds. So stay tuned. Don't push the button where you disappear from my channel. Stay tuned. This is a great video on this product. I bet you can't guess what's in there. You see these things? These are stands. And I have this one right here in particular. That's a great stand. But this product right here might blow them all away. So let's see what it is. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.